What's going on, everybody? I'm out here in Riverview, Florida. Got a house wash to do. It's crazy because this is actually my first customer I had when I started pressure washing, and they called me back out, on the house wash. So we're gonna take care of them. This is what we're working with today. Got some algae all up in here. The front of the house is the worst. Up here, as you can see, got a trick spot right there in the corner. Over here, window sills. Got some dirt back here too on the side, some green. This side is not too bad. Somebody tried to pressure wash this before. As you can tell, the oxidation has been removed over in this spot. Oh, look at that. Gotta watch out for that. So that's why you do your pre-inspection videos. Got one marks all over this this house, man. All soaked up. Let it dwell for about 10 minutes. It's already coming off, so we'll get the rinse right now. I'm using my soap tip to rinse. This is usually the rinse, but I'm gonna use this one because I don't want to disturb the oxidation. issue on the job, man. I'm leaking water right here. I had to put this little pipe here just to extend this out so I can put the bypass so the hose wouldn't hit the engine. And it's leaking, man. Right here. I gotta find something stronger, maybe some stainless steel or something. Heading to the store. What's up, guys? I'm at Amazon Hose and Rubber Company in Tampa. Just here to pick up, you know, a new fitting for my pressure washer. This is my old one. Let's see what they got in there.